How to remove a sticker from a box. As you can see, this sticker here is so tight I cannot remove it. I got a solution for you. Just put it near a hot, maybe fire or a heater. Okay, put it next to the heater, or use a any heating stuff that you got in your house. Heat it for a few seconds. I'm gonna show it to you now. I got a heater here. I got this heater here. I'm gonna put it next to the heater. Remember, there's a glue under that sticker. So when it's hot, it's easy to remove. Look here. Try. You can see. Can you see? Can you see it's coming out? So easy. Can you see here? Coming out. Coming out. And it's out. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.